In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate an image in Canva. I have a Canva file open in the edit view, and I have a photo right here, and I would like to rotate this photo a little bit in my design. So if you just click the photo, you see these pop-ups appear on the top and the bottom. You also have an edit toolbar at the top. So on the bottom, you should see this little rotate button. And if you just hover over it and then click and drag to the right and left, you'll be able to rotate your photo. You can also see the degrees on the bottom here. So it's currently at 8 degrees. If you wanted a perfect degree, you would just keep flipping it until you got to that number. And you can always flip it back or do the undo if you'd like to go back to 0. So that's how you rotate an image in Canva. Check out my free Canva tutorials and free resources at the bottom of this video. If you like this tutorial, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.